Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen shortcut on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the lock screen option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your lock screen features. Step 3. Now, locate the lock screen shortcut option. Tap on it. Step 4. For the last and most important step, you'll find two options. The first option is button left, and the second option is button right. Tap on button left to select the option you want to add to the lock screen's left side. Tap on button right to select the option you want to add to the lock screen's right side. Set the lock screen shortcut instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.